Hi guys. So by the time y'all see this, it's definitely gonna be the new year. And y'all, it's some things that we have to do to prepare for the new year. We have to start off the new year right. We got to bring in new energy. We bringing in new everything. So right now I'm currently just about to try to bring in the new year with new vibes. So I have to clean up my room. I have to take down all those Christmas decorations that I put in my room, you know, give it a good cleaning, y'all, because I really need to be refreshed in my space. I have to do that. And then I'm also going to go and get a new phone, y'all, because I just have some old energies in my phone that no longer serve me, okay? So I'm going to change my number and I'm gonna get a new phone, and that is very exciting for me, y'all, because I love to change my number. We love a good number change, okay? So we're gonna do that. And I think I'm also gonna go to Walmart, just depending on how much time I have. I might be doing something later, so I'm not sure how much time I really have. But if I do have time, then I'm gonna go to Walmart and buy like new bed sheets, because I really do need that. And I don't know, y'all. We just gonna, I don't know, y'all finna just come along with me. And I know I say that every time and end up leaving y'all hanging, but I'm new year, new what's the word I'm looking for? New habits. That's a good word, new habits. So I'm gonna try to do better as far as just, you know, keeping you guys updated along with me. Hey y'all, so it is future me here. Let's just take a moment to address the freaking big elephant in the room under my eye. Y'all, not too much on me, not too freaking much, okay? I do have a sty. Let's just act like it's not there. Let's just forget about it, okay? Yeah, not too much. I know it's huge. I know my eye's big, but as y'all can see right now, it is future me and it is going away, okay? So just give me a break. Alright, back to the video. It's gonna be that, y'all. I'm really not sure. This is just a spontaneous day, but I know what I want to do. I'm off the whole weekend, so if it don't get done today, it's getting done, you know, whenever. So, you know, we're just gonna bring in a new year, right? I'm so excited, y'all. This year really has passed us by. Like, where did it go? Where the f did it go? But anyways, y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too much longer with the talkie. I need to get a move on it, because right now it is currently 5:19, and like I said, I might have something to do later. So yeah, I need to get the ball rolling. So I'll see you guys later. So you guys, we didn't go anywhere. We didn't go too far. We're never too far. But I just came over here to wish everybody a happy new year, so many blessings to come, and we just gotta keep being great. We are never doing enough. We need to do more.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That's not what I wanted to say, but what did you really want to say? The sky's the limit, and as long as you put your mind to it, you got it. You got it. Just keep. 2022 has shown me that I can achieve anything I put my mind to. Definitely. Anything. Is there anything you want to say to the people of Dallas going into 2022? I mean 2023.
Achieve your goals.
Achieve it. That's all.
Yeah.
Achieve your goals. Okay.
Good luck.
We like that. We like that.
Starting route to AT&T store.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often, but baby you can give it something. Baby I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
You've arrived at your destination.
With you. I know that I need my friend.
Yo, I'm so annoyed. I don't know why my camera is like crooked, like sideways. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I can tell. But anyways, I'm so aggravated, y'all. The freaking 14 Pro Max is on back order right now, and I don't want to wait. Like, if I buy something right now, like, I want to have it in my possession, you know what I'm saying? I'm so upset. You know how, like, you just have, you know, that anxiousness to go get something and then you can't get it? I need it right now. They said that it's now on back order at Best Buy and Apple, but I don't like going through other people to, like, I don't know, I just be feeling like they be messing up something, like, with my bill, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'd rather go through AT&T to get what I need. You know? What y'all think I should do? I don't know. I just got so excited, y'all. I need to bring in a new year with my new phone. I don't know. I don't know what I should do. I really don't. Alright, y'all. So, a little update. Instead of going to Best Buy or going to the Apple store, I decided to, I called around to, oh my gosh. Why? I don't know why it's not focusing. Alright, so like I was saying, I called around to 3 different AT&T stores instead of going to Best Buy. And this particular one said that they do have 14 Pro Max. So I'm gonna go in here and, I don't know what colors they have, but I'm gonna see if they have a color that I might like. Yeah, so I called around to 3 different AT&T stores and they were definitely sold out, but I called this one and he said that they have some, so I'm about to go and check that out. I'm so, y'all, I really just can't, when I have my mind set on something, like, I have to follow through with it. Like, I can't just be half-stepping out here. But I'm trying to find parking, y'all. There's no freaking parking. I really don't want to park close to these people.
Cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want to receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
Alright, y'all, I came to Five and Below to get a case because I refuse to pay all that money for a case at AT&T, but they don't have no good selections. I just bought a screen protector from there though, no lie, because I ain't got time to be playing with these little flimsy screen protectors that Five and Below got. But definitely for a case, it really don't matter what case you got. As long as your screen protector is good, then you straight. I paid what? I keep dropping stuff, y'all. I paid $45 for that screen protector. And I mean, every time I buy a phone, I get my screen protector from there just because I don't want to take any risks. But yeah, so let me find a case and then I'll get back on the camera with y'all probably whenever I get home. I don't know. I want to see my man. I don't know what he got going on. But yeah, so I'll see y'all whenever I get home. Later. Y'all, I'm back home. I went and got some Chick-fil-A. Y'all, these are the saltiest Chick-fil-A fries I ever tasted. Y'all know usually they don't really put no salt on them. Anyways, that's crazy. I look like there's a crack in here already. Anyways, y'all, yeah, so I just got back home and I got my phone. I'm so excited, y'all. So I got the 14 Pro Max, as y'all can see. Y'all, tell me why the freaking screen protector already is cracked. Like, y'all see that on the side? And it's like all the way up. Locked. The freak. What the hell? Y'all, the phone is not locking. Is that locked? But I got on camera, but y'all, for some reason, like my phone, like the screen protector got a crack in it, and I just walked out the store. That's enough for me, so I'm going back tomorrow to get a brand new one, and I'm not playing with them. They better give me another one. Yeah, so what I said is that I'm gonna start cleaning today. I know this is gonna be like a long process because I just have so much to clean, but I'm going to start tonight. I really don't have nothing else planned for the day, so I'm gonna start doing that now. And yeah, I'll see y'all whenever I get started with that.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Post me a pic, finna make me a profit. When the liquor hit, then the bitch get toxic. I've been listening since brunch, that shit. Order 42 for the table, let's pop shit. Missionary or Jackie style on my top shit. Pussy ass niggas hating on me from the closet. Hoes trying to call me a snake shit. I guess I can relate, cause the bitch spit a whole lot of venom. And since these hoes all rats, when they come around me, all I see is a whole lot of dinner. I walk around the house butt naked and I stop at air mirror just to stare at my own posterior. I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Hoes say they wish a bitch would.
Yeah, don't even mind my stomach. I'm so full. I'm tired. It is currently 2:48 in the morning, and I finally just put a dent in my room. Everything is pretty much, like, my floor is pretty much clean. My desk over there is clean. My little, whatever you want to call this, centerpiece, I guess, is clean. I just really need to vacuum my floor and clean off my bed. Then tomorrow I'm going to start on the bathroom, and then Sunday I'm gonna start on the closet, y'all, because it's gonna take me a whole entire day to organize my closet. I just know it already, and I have so much laundry to do. So honestly, I think I'm gonna start on my laundry, I don't know, I might start it tomorrow morning, because that's a part of cleaning my bathroom, because I have laundry in my bathroom. Oh god, y'all, but I'm kind of tired now, so what we finna do is finish cleaning off the floor, and my camera's finna die, so that means it's really time to go to sleep. So I'm gonna clean off my floor and clean off my bed, and then I'm going to bed. Burn. Okay, so see y'all tomorrow, and I'm gonna charge my camera. Hey y'all, I'm back. As y'all can see, my hair has changed. I had to take those braids out because it was time for them to go. Guys, happy new freaking year! I look a mess. Don't talk about me. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I promise it's fine. But guys, it is a new freaking year. It is a new freaking year. It is 2023, baby. What are you gonna do with your year? What are you gonna do with your year? And you better not waste it. You better not waste it like you did 2022. Y'all, it is January 1st. It is a new year. And we're gonna bring in the new year, right? I did go out last night. I had to take my braids out. Y'all, it was just a mess. I should have recorded the process, but I was just rushing. I had to take out half of my head. I left some of the braids in the back. That way I could do a quick weave. I don't know. It was just a lot. I really wish I should have recorded because it was the most... we gonna make something shake every time. And if you know, you know. We gonna make something shake every time. So that's what I had to do last night. I am going to insert some clips from last night into the new year. Bring it in the new year. And oh my gosh, y'all, I just wish y'all the best for this year. I hope that you guys, you're just blessed in abundance this year, okay? And all your heart's desires are fulfilled. I pray that God just blesses you all. I don't know, I just feel like this is gonna be so good. I feel like greatness is on the way. If you can think it, you can be it. If you can speak it, you can be it. So that's do with that what you will, okay? I did clean up my room the other day, but I have hair on my floor again because I just took out the back of my hair, and I have to what's it called, vacuum my floors, pick up little stuff, and re-clean off my dresser over there, because as you can see, I was eating ice cream last night. I got home, I was drunk, and I don't know, ice cream and liquor, not a good mix. But anyways, so I need to re-clean my room, and then y'all, on to the bathroom. This is a mess. I'm embarrassed. This is my hair. I had it last night. I snatched it out as soon as I left the club. Kind of scared, embarrassed to show y'all like my bathroom, but we gonna get it together. We finna get it together all the way together. You hear me? And then we're gonna move on to the closet, y'all. The closet, I am definitely embarrassed. Oh, damn! Y'all gonna call me a dirty pig. Y'all gonna call me a slob. But we finna get this together. We finna get our lives together. So I have to do all this today. I cannot be going outside like this. So we finna get right into it, y'all. We finna get into it. Let me finish cleaning up my room, and then we're on to this hot mess. Yeah, I'm filthy. First of all, I don't need to be dancing. It's dirty as fuck. Sorry. Okay.
Girl, I know this might seem strange.
I don't know why this shit got me lazy. You and I, baby, who cares? I know you
For a while, and I just gotta let you know that I'm really feeling your style. Plus I had to know your name and leave you with my number, and I hope that you would call me someday. If you want, you can give me yours too, and if you don't, well, I ain't mad at you. We can still be cool. I'm not trying to pressure, hey, just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even real, gotta be my girlfriend. No, I just wanna know your name, and maybe sometime.
I don't have a trash bag in here somewhere. This is so, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed, y'all. I want y'all to know that. I am. I am. I don't even know where to start. Like, what y'all think? Y'all think I should keep this or not? It's not what y'all think it is. It's really a corset. I don't know why my camera keeps getting blurry. Like, that's so annoying. What is it focusing on? That's not me. I don't know. Yeah, I might have to keep that one. I might have to keep that one. Okay. I really need to put stuff in the thing that I don't. But it's so trashy. I don't care. I don't know if I should keep this. I'm probably never gonna wear it again. Next time, put that in the trash. Put it in the trash. I have so many just throw-on clothes. Like, I need to be tossing some of these. Like, I need to do like cute clothes to like throw on around the house. You know what I'm saying? All I wear is like t-shirts and like shorts or something. Like, I really need some Skims or like, I don't know, like cute sets to just wear. Like, I need to just order sets off Amazon or something. I'm growing up. I am growing up, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm still childish, but I'm growing up and I just be wanna look, I wanna be looking sexy.
When you hold me, and kiss me slowly. When you hold me, and kiss the sweetest thing.
This would be long as hell, boy. I'll be back when I put. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hey, I'm gonna be back, y'all, whenever I put like a little dent in these clothes or something, cause I know I'm gonna be here all night. You know I'm gonna be here all night, and that's just that on that, cause it's so much, y'all. But I'll be back. I'm gonna get it done, I guess. Y'all look like a peanut head. Okay, whatever. Bye. Look at that. There's not that much clothes left. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just pepping myself because it is a pretty good bit. But I mean, if I really focus, I can do it. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the damn thing. But yeah, so that's pretty much. I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired. But we got work to do. I gotta get it done. Yeah, my freaking camera died, but I'm still cleaning. Right now, it is currently, I want to say 3 o'clock in the morning. I think it's 3. I don't know. Don't quote me. I look a freaking mess. So what? Y'all knew that already. But let me find somewhere to put this phone. My freaking camera right there. Just looking dumb. Just dead and dumb. Pissing me off. Okay. Hold up real quick. Hang on. I'll be right back. This phone about to die too. I just wanted to show y'all this. So this, for the girls that remember, I wore this as a dress on my Instagram. Y'all can't even see the whole thing. Y'all can't even get the full. I wore this as a dress, y'all. In what, 2019? I don't know when it was. But now it's giving blazer. Straight blazer. I'm big. I'm big as hell. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm mad. Kind of mad about it. I ain't mad. I'm sad. But don't be sad. Get glad. Because you're going to put in that motherfucking work. You're going to put in that work. You're going to lose that. I mean, it's still fit, though. So a win is a win, baby. A win is a win. Nah, girl, you big. You getting big, though. Look at that. Look at that. I get it, y'all. I can't even raise my arms that high. A little pop. Yeah. I just want to rough that nigga. I don't want to sit him down and matter. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm showing out. To the garbage. Oh, don't look at me. I'm fat. Huh? Alright. That's my problem. It's fun while I lasted. The bag getting heavy, baby. I'm throwing stuff away. I love that for me. I love that for me. Hey guys. Okay. Oh, y'all can't be seeing all that. That's what making me mad. I just wanted to say that so bad, but Y'all, look at your girl. Look at your girl, all organized, all neat and organized. Yes, ma'am. Don't play with her. Height, don't play with her. All right, so you can now see the floor. You can now see the floor. I got a vacuum, so not too much. Don't look too much. Don't look too hard, baby. All right, so I have a little bit left to do. First thing first, I want to y'all see this? Look at all these flowers. Can't nobody tell me y'all waste flowers, because if y'all buy me flowers, I will literally let them wither up and die. But I'll keep them. So, not too much. But I don't like the way they make my closet smell. So, I am going to finally throw them away. But y'all see all these flowers that I got from people? What is this one? $9.99 for these. Alright, that's a little cheap. $14.99. Take the price off. Take the price off. Okay? $9.99. Let me just put the camera up. I don't feel like being on the floor. Let's see. How much is these? $15.99. $19.99. I don't see the price of these. I'll give them about $5. How much are these? These are like the Publix kind. Oh, yep. Publix. So I get them about, I don't know. I can't even say. Oh, y'all, I'm putting petals all over. I dropped some. Make sure y'all take the price off, because they can do exactly what I'm doing right now and look at the price and be like, and some people, if they not particularly like me, they can be like, oh, you only spent this much on me. I don't like that. So don't get nobody the opportunity to say that. Take the damn price off of the gift. That's common sense. But I mean, I can't even talk shit right. That's common sense, but common sense ain't so common. Yeah, that's how I go. That's common sense, but common sense ain't so common these days, for sure. But yeah, y'all, so this is all my flowers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on the floor. 7 bouquets of flowers that I just let die, but I kept them, so that means something. You welcome. I ain't waste your money. But this was so long ago, y'all. I'm talking about the beginning of 2022 and 2023 now, so it's time to let go and let God. Okay. But that is something that I wanted to speak to y'all about. This year, cut all ties. Let that man go, okay? And I don't just mean like, if y'all not talking no more, let it go is throwing away those clothes, throwing away his old big t-shirts, throwing away those little memories that y'all got, deleting those threads, those text messages. All of that. Letting go is letting go. Like, not just saying that, oh, we don't talk no more, I'm over him. You ain't over him until you delete the messages. You ain't over him until you delete them pictures out your phone, sis. You ain't over him yet. You still got some work to do. So, until you do that, this camera been crooked the whole time, but it's okay. It's okay. But until you do that, you have not let go, sis. You have not let go. It's time to let go. It's a new year. Find you a new man. Find you that new friend. That even go for friends, y'all. Once they gone, delete them threads, delete them pictures, delete all that energy that's still somewhere in your house, whether that's through clothes, messages, shoes, whatever it is. Let it go. It's time. It's okay. It's okay. Because God had something different planned for your life, and that person wasn't supposed to be there with you. Okay? It's time. Let go. Let go. The closet is clean, baby. And I'm so proud of myself. I got laundry I need to fold and put in here. I'm gonna do that tonight. I just might not do it right now, but it's gonna get done. And I'm just so proud of myself. Alright, we in now. We lit, baby. We lit, baby. I gotta wipe that off. Don't even look. Don't even look. I gotta wipe off my dress, but we all organized, y'all.